As we age, our natural hyaluronic acid production slows, leading to a loss of skin moisture and firmness. PCA Skin's Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum works on 3 levels to help restore skin's moisture and radiance. HA and sodium hyaluronate holds 1,000 times its weight in water. Its high molecular weight draws moisture to the surface of the skin. Hydrolyzed HA's low molecular weight drives it deeper into the skin's extracellular matrix. And PCA Skin's proprietary HA Pro complex stimulates new hyaluronic acid production within the skin. Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum's unique formula delivers instant surface hydration, plumping, and deep hydration that together help reduce visible lines and wrinkles. In a clinical study, Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum was proven to increase immediate skin hydration by 134%. After 6 weeks of use, 100% of patients showed improvement in skin hydration and smoothness. 97% showed improvement in skin plumping, and 70% showed a reduction in fine lines. Add PCA Skin's Hyaluronic Acid Boosting Serum to your skincare routine for plumper, smoother, more radiant-looking skin.